If you've set up a Rednote account and want to change your display name but aren't quite sure how to do it, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Rednote app on your device. Once the app is up and running, you'll want to navigate to your profile page. To do this, tap on the Me option, which is located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on it to access your profile settings. Here, you'll see various options to customize your profile, including your bio, date of birth, and education details. To change your display name, locate the name field right under your profile picture. Tap on it. Delete the current name, and type in your desired display name. Once you've entered your new name, just tap Confirm to finalize the change. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Click the Save button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it. Your display name has been successfully updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.